What's up, everybody? I'm Big T. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Big T Cooking. So today we're going to do some fun food facts, and as it turns out, there's been a lot of chatter about the difference between barbecuing and grilling. So barbecuing, just for those of you who don't know, it's an art. Okay, it's a craft, and a lot of people refer to it as a craft of cooking food by using smoke. Okay, so grilling is another form, okay, which is a way of cooking food utilizing radiant heat. Okay, so when somebody tells you that they want to do a barbecue, okay, you're going over there thinking, oh man, we're going to do the barbecue. Barbecue technically is not cooking hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. Okay, that's where you're gonna go, and somebody's gonna have a smoked brisket. They're gonna have smoked ribs, things of that nature. Okay, now you're gonna go over for, hey, come over, let's grill something. Now you're gonna go over, you're gonna grill some hot dogs. You might grill some chicken. You might grill some hamburgers, things of that nature. Okay, so just for technical terms, next time somebody tells you, hey man, come over, we're gonna have a barbecue. Well, are you talking about cooking ribs and smoked brisket? Or are you talking about you gonna grill something? You gonna grill up some hot dogs and some hamburgers? Because there's a difference. One time I went to a barbecue. Hey, come on over, we're gonna have a barbecue. Got over there, I was all excited, getting ready to chow down, looking for some coleslaw, some baked beans, you know, cold beers, some ribs, chicken. Get over there, spaghetti. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Spaghetti. No, 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 no. This ain't no barbecue. So, there's people consider things grilling, barbecuing, things of that nature. They all look at it different, but technically that's what it is. Barbecuing is when you're smoking something, utilizing that heat, and you're typically in the 240 to 275, 280 degree range. Grilling is when you're putting it right on the grill, right over the radiant heat, firing it up and getting it done and cooking it a whole lot faster. So, you know, at the end of the day, who really gives a damn? Okay? Because if we're coming over to hang out, chill out, have fun, drink a cold beer, family, friends, what does it really matter, anyways? So, listen, that way you know something about the technical term between barbecuing, smoking, grilling, chilling, family, friends, cold beers, all that. So, next time somebody invites you out, just go on over and have some fun. Anyways, until the next fun food fact comes around, stay tuned. Big T. Hey, if you ain't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Smash that little notifications bell. And catch you on the next video. Peace out. Big T.